Thanks.
I've spent years wondering why homemade tortillas weren't better. Really, why is that? But these are a revelation.
Yep.
Special thanks to my stepmom for this recipe. Let's start with the foundation. Yes, I know I said coconut oil. Yeah, I did, and I'm not taking it back. So there, they're delicious. Either way. Sift your dry ingredients and cut in your fat. I'm using a spoon so it doesn't stick to my hands. I'm adding the warm water slowly. Hey! I said slowly. When you can handle it without the dough sticking to your fingers, commence the kneading. Stretch, fold, and smash. That's the rhythm. Stretch, fold, and smash. And I love kneading dough. It's super therapeutic. Just look at the difference pre and post knead. This is the before, and this is after. Smooth and elastic. Let's see if it passes my dough inspector, and yeah, looks great. Type A chefs rejoice because I'm breaking out the scale. 5.5-ish ounces for burritos and about 1 ounce for street tacos. I'm pulling and pinching out the ripples to make smooth testales. Cover those and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Now the hard part. Some rolling tips. Don't fully roll through your tortilla. There should be a little bump when you finish. Think half roll. Turn, half roll, turn. Notice the thinness when I'm done. Yeah, they're thin. If you want naan, make naan. These are tortillas. On the larger ones, it's the same story. Roll, then turn slightly. I know type A chefs. Just do your best. Your pan should be hot. Like, hot, hot. I love watching tortillas cook. Let's see that in instant replay. Ooh, I love that. Place done tortillas on a folded towel so they can get a comfy little tortilla cuddle sesh. And you're done. Now go impress your friends.